Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Logitech Bluetooth keyboard. First, confirm your keyboard has fresh batteries or is fully charged, as this is a common, often overlooked step. Find the power switch, which is usually located on the back or side, and slide it to the on position. You should see a small indicator light briefly turn on, signifying it has power and is ready for the next crucial step. This initial check ensures a smooth pairing process. Now that your keyboard has power, we need to activate its pairing mode. Locate one of the dedicated Bluetooth connection keys, usually marked with a 1, 2, or 3. Choose an available channel and press, and hold that key for approximately 3 seconds. You will see a small, specific light above the selected key begin to blink rapidly, which signals the keyboard is actively searching for a device to connect with. Next, turn your attention to the device you wish to connect your keyboard to. Open its Bluetooth settings. This is typically found within the System Preferences or Control panel. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and actively scanning for new connections. You should see your Logitech keyboard's name appear in the list of available devices, then simply select it. If prompted, type the displayed number code on your Logitech keyboard and press Enter to finalize the connection. Once connected, it is a good practice to test your new keyboard immediately. Open a simple text editor or word processor on your device and type a few sentences to confirm all keys are fully functional. If you encounter any issues, a quick fix is often to toggle both the keyboard's power and your device's Bluetooth off, then on again. Remember to keep your keyboard within a distance of about 10 meters for the best, most reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.